Roja Kannan, a senior disciple of Gurus Padma Shri Adiyar K. Lakshmanan and Padma Bhushan Kalanidhi Narayanan, is a performer, teacher, choreographer and arts administrator. In a career spanning 5 decades, she has had innumerable performances and lecture demonstrations all over the world to her credit, and performances in major dance festivals both in India and abroad. Her Academy of Natyam and Music, Bharatanatyalaya, has trained hundreds of disciples in the art form who've gone on to make a mark for themselves in the field of Natyam. Roja Kannan has been decorated with several awards and recognitions for her proficiency and contributions in Natyam, Acharya Chudamani, Kala Acharya Shiromani, to name a few. Presenting Roja Kannan.
Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Pranams at the feet of my Gurus, Sri Adiyar K. Lakshman and Srimati Kalanidhi Narayanan. I place my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Sunanda Nair of Sunanda Performing Arts Center for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be part of the Arpanam series. Arpanam, dedication, surrender, prapatti, call it by whatever name. All this means just surrendering totally to the art form and through the art form to that ultimate supreme power above you. Innumerable Vagayakaras have reached this ultimate goal through their songs, kirtanams, poems and so on and so forth. Today I have titled my presentation Hari and Haran. In the first part of my presentation, Hari, I will be presenting a kirtanam of Saint Poet Annamacharya, Sriman Narayana in the Ragam Bauli, set to Aditalam. The consort of Sri Mahavishnu, Mahalakshmi, whom you have placed in your heart, the one who is so fond of the lotus flower, the one whose eyes represent the petals of a lotus flower, the one who is seated on the throne of lotus and who rides that vehicle of Sri Garuda. O Sri Narayana, I bow at your feet. You are the one who grants all the auspiciousness to the saints and the rishis who pray at your feet. You are the omnipresent one, present in each and every living being around the world. You are the Lord of the 7 hills. Om Sri Venkatesha, I bow at your feet. Sriman Narayana in the Ragam Bauli, set to Aditalam. The orchestra members who have played in the recording are Nattuvangam by myself, Roja Kannan, vocal Srimati Radha Badri, Mridangam Sri Nellai D. Kannan, violin Sri R. Kalayarasan and Sri Ishwar Ramakrishnan, and flute Sri T. Sashidhar and Sri Shruti Shagar.
ನಾರಾಯಣನಿ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಮೇ ಶರಣು ಶಿವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶಿವ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶಿವ ನಾರಾಯಣನಿ ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಮೇ ಶರಣು ಕಮಲಾಸತಿ ಮುಖ ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲಹಿತ ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲೇಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಲಾಸತಿ ಮುಖ ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲಹಿತ ಕಮಲ ಕಮಲೇಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಲ परमयोगी जन भगदेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर परमयोगी जन भगदेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर परमयोगी जन भगदेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्पर परमात्मा परमाणु रूप श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरि देवा परमात्मा परमाणु रूप श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरि देव शरणु शिव नारायण शिव नारायण शिव नारायणनि श्रीपादमे शरणु शरणु शरणु
I now move on to the second part of my presentation titled Haran, Lord Shiva. I commence with the Tevaram of Tirunavukkarasar on Lord Sri Tyagaraja Swami of Tiruvarur. The devotee stands in front of the Sanctum Sanctorum at Tiruvarur and is in conversation with Lord Tyagesa. She says, I heard your name. I heard about your greatness. I left all my austerities. I forgot my parents, my relations, all my bondings, and I came running to you in abject surrender at your feet. O Lord Tyagesha, the one who resides in Tiruvarur, where the beautiful Kamalayam tank is there, you are the only one who can save me from my pangs of suffering and from my sufferings in this world. Kindly come and bless me, O Sri Tyagesa. Following this will be a Thevaram of Tirukஞான Sambandar. The Saivite saints are the Bhakti poets of Lord Shiva, wrote innumerable poems from the 6th century to the 11th century, and the compendium of these poems is called Panniru Tirumurai. The verses that I will be presenting today is called Kolaru Padikam, or the praise of the 9 planets. According to astrology, the position of the 9 planets are the ones that rule the life of humanity. So praying to the 9 planets will give us immense satisfaction and happiness and free us of all our ills and sufferings. Presenting Thevarams from the Panniru Tirumurai in praise of Lord Shiva.
அவனுடைய நாமம் கேட்ட மூர்த்தி அவனிருக்கும் வண்ணம் கேட்ட அவனுடைய கேட்டாள் பயர்த்தும் அவனுக்கு பிச்சையான அன்னையும் அன்றே நீத்த அகலிடத்தார் ஆச்சாரத்தை தன்னை மறந்த தன்னாமம் கெட்ட தலைப்பட்ட நங்கை தலைவன் தாளே தலைப்பட்ட நங்கை தலைவன் அடியாரவர்க்கு மிகவே அப்படி நல்ல நல்ல அவை நல்ல நல்ல அடியாரவர்க்கு மிகவே